This video will provide you a quick overview and tutorial of Google's app called Jamboard. Click on your waffle and click on the app. When you come into Jamboard, it opens you up to your home screen where your jams will be found. If you want to open a previous one, you can find it and click it. If you'd like to create a new jam, you can click the plus sign. By doing so, it opens up Jamboard. So let's take a tour. Up here, you can zoom in or zoom out. You can change the background of the jam to dots, lines, grid, whatever your preference, or leave it white. Over here are your tools. You have a pen tool that will write like a pen, a marker that'll create a thicker line, a highlighter that actually highlights what is already on your jam, and a paintbrush that will allow you to paint. Here is your eraser, your arrow so that you can switch between tools. You can create a sticky note and type in it, and then you can change the color if you would like. And when you click save, it pops it out there, but leaves the sticky note open to create another. And you can change the color and save. When you're done creating your sticky notes, you can click on them, you can move them around, you can make them larger. You can grab this corner and angle them, and then the three dots always gives you more options. If you'd like to insert an image onto your jam, you can click the image icon. You can upload one from your hard drive, search through Google, find one in your Google Drive, or in your photos. I'm going to go ahead and find a dog, and I can select the image and bring it in. The cool part about bringing images in, or even your Post-it notes, is that you can write on top of them to annotate them. Nose. If you'd like to highlight something, you can click on the highlighter and it will highlight important things. Your last tool here is the laser. So if you want your students' attention to be drawn to a certain area, you can use the laser. A few other fun features of Jamboard is that you can have multiple frames and you can keep going with that as you're working or teaching. You can also share a jam. When sharing a jam, you have a few options. You can invite a specific person and determine the rights you give them. Or if you want to share the link with your students to join into your jam, you want to change your settings to anyone with the link, and then be sure to click Can Edit. Now that you've saved, copy your link, and now you can paste it wherever you need to share it with others. Enjoy working with Jamboard.